Hello guys and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. Today we are back with some new opportunities for software engineer role for new grad. This is the first opportunity by Stripe. Stripe is hiring for software engineer. This is for their Bangalore office and this is a full-time job. Okay. This is basically for batch of 2024 you can see here. And these are some other requirements for this particular opportunity. I will share the link in the description box. You can check it from there. Next, we are having the Netflix new grad software engineer opportunity. This is a broad opportunity from for California, but they are hiring from all the places, so you can apply there also. This is also for batch 2024. Now, next we are having an internship opportunity, which is by Nvidia. So, Nvidia is hiring for compiler optimization engineer. It is a quite unique role, but it's mostly of software engineering only. You can see the skills also here. So, the skills are mostly C++, and their other skills are given here. You can check this out also. Next opportunity is by Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs is also having their engineering campus hiring program. This particular is a summer internship for the 2025 batch. You guys can also apply for this particular role, which is for Bangalore and Hyderabad. These are four new opportunities by these four companies. You guys can apply there. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, please comment helpful in the comment section. And also you can join our Telegram channel for such new updates and opportunities. Thank you.